This video is going to show you how to make bookmarks, organize your bookmarks, display icons only, and put in folders on the bookmark bar in Google Chrome. All right, so first thing I'll do is how to make a bookmark. I've got an app up. This is my Cami app that I use in Google Docs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the little icon to the left of the URL, and I'll put it down. You can see there's a line that forms down. So wherever I release it, that's where the line goes. Now, if I make a mistake, I could just drag it into a new place. That's easy enough to organize. And then when I look at my my links here in the bookmark bar, I've got something for work. Then I've got video games. That's kind of a relaxing website. So I'm going to move that over here on the far right so I can kind of organize it. But I'm still wish I had some more room. There are a couple ways we can do that. So the two ways we're going to do that, we're going to right-click on an address. And right-clicking is a secret to a lot of features. So I'll right-click on an address and we'll go to Edit. I can change the name and make it shorter, or I could just delete it. Since it's got a favicon that looks different than all the others, it'll kind of stand out. In the Cami website, I'll do the same thing. Click on it, right-click on it, choose Edit, and then I'll delete it, and then Save. Now I've made all this room in the bookmark bar. That's great. But I can make more without having to do it because these three websites, they look the same. If the favorite icons were only things showing, I wouldn't know which is which. So I could shorten the name, but instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a folder. So right-clicked, and I'll make a folder. I can right-click on the link or in between, and I'm going to call this folder just for the year because it seems to change from year to year. So I'm going to call it 2020, and then hit return. And then what I'll do is I'll drag my bookmarks into the folder that says 2020. To access my bookmarks, I click on the folder, and there are my bookmarks. And I can just click on those to go where I want to go.